Hey Glam fam, Chrissy Beauty here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a makeup look solely using the three primary colors. That is all I used for this makeup look. Very simple, very easy and quick. Didn't know how I was gonna do this, but I did it. So if you guys want to see what I used, then please keep on watching. Alright, so for this look, I'm going to use the Morphe Living Color Palette, because it has the primary colors on it. Obviously it has the yellow, the red, and it has a shimmer blue, which is okay as long as it has blue. I guess I could have used a James Charles palette because it does have every color in there, but no, we're gonna use this one. Okay. Alright, so to start off with, I already did my lids and eyebrows, obviously, prime my eyelids is what I meant to say, and set them and everything. So I'm going to go in with Life, so that is the red color in this palette. And I'm using a Morphe. Wow, this palette has a lot of fallout. What am I using? Oh, I'm using my Color Noir brush. Just kidding, the CN154. So I'm going to pack that on my outer lid, on my outer corner as well, and then slowly start to bring that in using light pressure. I'm using a red pigment. It's best not to start off heavy because it's easier to blend if you pick up a little bit at a time and then use a light hand and blend everything together. So I'm blending as close to my inner corner as possible, but I'm gonna only use whatever product is left on the brush and fill in the inner corner because I don't want it as dark or as red as the outer corner. And then again, going into my crease with very light pressure, like so. It's very feather light pressure, just to blend the red. Now using a Morphe M441, I'm going to pick up Sunlight, which is the very bold yellow in this palette, and use that to blend with the red in my crease and above my crease. So this look is solely just primary colors. I had the idea yesterday and I was like, oh, you know what? I could do a makeup look based off this. So because we are using primary colors, of course, when they do mesh together, you are going to get a secondary color in the process. So I don't know if you can tell. Sorry, my nose is running. So I don't know if you can tell, but with the red that I have on in my crease as well, because I did put the red in my crease as well, and very lightly, but because I'm putting the yellow in, it's now starting to form like an orange color right in my crease because it's mixing the yellow and the red as I'm blending all this. So of course orange would be the secondary color that red and yellow make. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye and I will be right back. Alright, the other eye is done. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I always manage to tuck away from the camera. It's so annoying. She says that she's turns away from the camera. Okay, I'm gonna go with my foundation Cocktail, my L'Oreal, and my Makeup Forever. L'Oreal in shade 104, and the Makeup Forever is Y252. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna speed through this process. Foundation is on. Now I'm just going to set my face. I do like to set my face with a beauty blender, kind of picking up whatever setting powder works best for you. I'm like patting it in because for me, I feel like it gives more of a very like, not mattified, but well, yeah, mattified, but like a very smooth, silky finish, in my opinion, because you're pushing it in to your pores, kind of closing everything and sealing everything up, and it just looks more like of a flawless finish, in my opinion. Okay, now that that's done, I'm getting so hot. I'm wearing like a sweater, like a crop sweater thing, so yeah. Okay, now that that's done, so for the under eye, of course, because this is a primary makeup look, we're gonna go in with Rise Up. It is a shimmer blue in this palette, so this blue here. I don't know if it looks shimmer on camera, but we're gonna pick that up with a dense flat brush and apply that to the lower lash line, like so, keeping close to my lash line. So I don't want to like smoke it out, but I do want to keep amplifying the color. So I'm just going to keep applying it till it's the desired shade of blue I want. I'm going to go in with my contour with Tan and Toffee. I feel like something's missing with this look, so I'm gonna go in and, oh my god, and put eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit, again using the Wet n Wild Dewy Primer, and only applying that where I want my highlight, on the highs of my cheeks. Patting that in, and then right before it dries, I go in with whatever highlight I choose to use. Alright, my lashes are on. I'm going to go in with Khlo Money from the KoKo Kylie collection for my lip. Alright guys, that was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next one.